oven air fries, bakes, broils, and toasts right on your countertop. Prepare the food you love with 6 cooking functions while saving on space with its compact design. Air frying meals is a healthy alternative to traditional frying. The high-speed fan and heating element circulate hot air to cook a variety of meats that are delicious and healthy. Select your function, toast shade, and adjustable temperature settings up to 450 degrees with the turn of a dial. Air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food. Toast 4 slices of bread, bake, broil, warm, or use the pizza setting to cook fresh or frozen pizza in minutes. The viewing window lets you monitor your food's progress. And with its whisper quiet operation, preparing complete meals in the kitchen is quick and convenient. Save space and eat well with the culinary convenience of the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer.
Introducing the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven from BLACK+DECKER. It combines 2 kitchen appliances into one. All the convenience of a countertop toaster oven, now with air fry technology. The air fry function is so easy to use. Just fill the frying basket, turn the function to air fry, and set the time. No preheat necessary. You can make French fries, frozen snacks, cuts of meat, and more. While a deep fryer submerges food in high-fat oil, the air fryer uses convection technology to circulate high-intensity hot air. This method adds a delicious crisp to your favorite fried foods, all with little to no added oil. You also get classic toaster oven performance with functions like toast, broil, bake at specific temperature, and keep food warm. Set the cook timer for predictable results, or use the stay on function for longer cooking tasks. With the toasting function, use the shade timer to get the exact results you want. The Crisp and Bake comes in 2 sizes to fit your family's needs. Make toast for big breakfast, pizza for the party, or a full pan for family dinner. The larger model fits a 9 by 13 inch pan with handles, so you can use the pans you already own. The ease and convenience of a toaster oven, now with air frying, a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. You get it all with the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, only from BLACK+DECKER.
Small kitchen appliance is a simple-to-operate everyday toaster oven with sleek and glossy black finish that matches any kitchen decor. This compact 2-slice toaster oven is ideal for singles and small families and is packed with features that let you cook and heat various foods effortlessly. 2 dials on the toaster oven let you set cooking temperature and time. The top dial adjusts the temperature, letting you cook or reheat a wide range of foods, like toast, cookies, and pizza. And the bottom dial sets the time up to 30 minutes. Foods commonly cooked in a toaster oven are imprinted on the door with dial settings guidelines. This unit also features a bright light, which indicates the unit is in operation, and an audible bell that signals when the course is completed. This toaster oven is equipped with a mesh rack instead of a traditional wire rack, which helps foods cook more evenly while reducing grill marks on foods. The mesh rack is especially useful when cooking mochi rice cakes, as it minimizes dripping through the rack. As foods cook, Zojirushi's commitment to safe design works hard. The auto pull-out rack reduces the risk of burns when removing foods, and a guard at the top protects the heating element from accidental contact, while a guard on the bottom directs fallen foods away. The unit comes with a high-quality baking tray that is perfect for baking cookies and roasting vegetables. The mesh rack, glass door, and crumb tray can all be removed and thoroughly washed for easy maintenance. And all surfaces that come into contact with food are BPA-free.
To heart-healthy eats and soul-satisfying meals, meet the oven that outdoes the rest. Introducing the Oster Countertop Oven with Air Fryer, offering more features than a traditional oven, including bake, convection bake, broil, toast, and now the option to air fry. Air frying is quick and easy, and with the provided air fry basket, you'll be enjoying crispy food in no time. The Oster Countertop Oven with Air Fryer delivers consistent and even results, using 99.5% less oil. The oven boasts a large capacity, which can accommodate a wide variety of foods, from a large 12-inch pizza to a meal for the whole family, all while conveniently taking up minimal countertop space. So make it bold, make it zesty, or make it sweet. You can make it all with the countertop oven with air fryer.
The Breville Smart Oven Air with super convection is a real superhero. The power of super convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13-inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays, and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface and suggested positioning on the oven door, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Let's roast a 14-pound turkey. First, select the roast function, then temperature, and lastly, set the time.